Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB.
You cannot give presidential power to criminals.
Free Nnamdi Kanu! 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 Free Nnamdi Kanu!
This way. This way. How can I just follow me?
Wait, come away.
Let's go and free Nnamdi Kanu on Monday. Let's go and free Nnamdi Kanu on Monday. No going back. Let's go and free Nnamdi Kanu on Monday. No going back.
One round.
Let's go and free Nnamdi Kanu on Monday.
20th October.
Let's go and free Nnamdi Kanu on Monday.
20th
No
October.
going back.
At all.
Let's go and free Nnamdi Kanu on Monday.
No going back.
No going back.
No going back.
Let's go and free Nnamdi Kanu on Monday.
Nnamdi Kanu.
Free Nnamdi Kanu on Monday.
Nnamdi Kanu.
No going back.
Free Nnamdi Kanu.
Let's go and free Nnamdi Kanu on Monday. No going back. Let's go and free Nnamdi Kanu on Monday.
No going back.
No going back.
Free Nnamdi
Free Nnamdi
Kanu.
Kanu.
You cannot hold criminals. You cannot free criminals.
Also close.
Let's go.
Free Nnamdi Kanu. One day. Come to Unity Center. One day. Assemble at the Unity Center.
No going back.
No going back.
No going back.
Free Nnamdi Kanu.
Free Nnamdi Kanu. Free Nnamdi Kanu. Free Nnamdi Kanu. Free Nnamdi Kanu. Free Nnamdi Kanu.
Let's go and free Nnamdi Kanu on Monday. No going
Yes.
Power.
Yes.
Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Free 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 Nnamdi
This side.
Nnamdi Kanu.
Hold on.
Which side?
We are going to the following this one.
Which side?
Go front. The entire
Stay at that place.
Where the open place? Let's go free Nnamdi Kanu on Monday. No going back. On Monday, let's free Nnamdi Kanu. On Monday.
Let's go. Is our Savior, holy, holy, holy.
Nigerian people! Great Nigerian people! Everybody press! Great Nigerian people! Please, we have been carrying the good message of hope, message of liberation, going from one market to another. Talking about the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Release of Nnamdi Kanu. When do you want Nnamdi Kanu to be released? Now. When do you want Nnamdi Kanu to be released? Now. I want to thank everybody. I also want to thank God that made this day to be a reality for us. The day is on Monday. There will be no market. There will be no market. All roads lead to
On Monday, everybody will come out. It's a liberation day. But before I will go on, let me talk to my people in our own language. Igbo kwenu! Igbo kwenu! Igbo kwenu! Igbo unu n'obodo a. Igbo unu n'obodo a. Are you? Coming to prove it on Monday. Something when I'm somebody where you revive for home here. On a this only good about the man. Yeah, I want to get to Rebama. They don't matter, they negotiate with bandits. They negotiate with terrorists. Somebody don't want to hear about it. And Rebama. He has taken it upon himself. Sowore, where you Rebama, I have to kill him. My brother has said it all.
One voice.
I am an Igbo man.
Yes.
I refuse to live in a country where I will be a second-class citizen.
Yes.
In this country, every citizen must be treated equally.
Yes.
The only offense Nnamdi Kanu committed is that he asked for referendum. Referendum. We are not the terrorists, the bandits that are terrorizing this country. You cannot travel by road from here to east. You might be kidnapped on the road. The federal government is negotiating with them. I think we all saw them in Castilla. The bandits came out with their machine gun and negotiated with Nigerian authorities, military authorities, DSS, Office of the National Security Advisor. All of them were there negotiating with terrorists. While Nnamdi was the governor of the United States, he entered the bush negotiating with terrorists. The leader of that terrorist group recruited into Nigerian country and keeping secret. What we are saying is that we are all involved in this country. As the country was released, the are holding that is why we are here to support our brother, senior comrade, to ensure that they do let us all come out to us on Monday, 20th October, to stage a grand mother of our rally, free Nnamdi Kanu rally. I will now call on the umbrella of the free Nnamdi Kanu campaign. Our brother, senior comrade, Sowore, because Sunday. Our brother, senior comrade, they will address us. And what we are trying to do is simple. The National Security Advisor, I am coming you out. I am speaking to you directly. We are brother. That is why I accuse you. That we are the ones sponsoring terrorists. The National Security Advisor is going to give the terrorists education. So right now, give them food, give them money. Office of the National Security Advisor are coming. We are calling this one up to be and they are calling terrorists. I want it to now. Our game here today is very simple. We just came to see you to tell you that on Monday we want to bring Nnamdi Kanu home. And we are not going to take a no for an answer. Because terrorists in this country, they can negotiate with government. Drug dealers in this country can be pardoned by the president. Murderers in this country were granted pardon last week. But our brother who has not committed any crime known to law has been languishing in detention back and forth for 10 years. Let me tell you. Hold on. Somebody will start a fight here very soon. We are saying this market and other markets across the country was closed down on Monday. Also it's going wrong and also wrong. We are looking for 1 million people to march home. They end up to jail forever. And you know me. I know them very well. Every week they charge me for something. So I know when I see rubbish charges, I know it. This one is number one.
No going back. Nnamdi must be free. No going back. Nnamdi must be free.
Yes.
1/20th.
Yes.
First. No going back.
Where do we want it? Now! Where do we want it? Now! What do we want? Nnamdi Kanu!
Which way? Which way? Which way? Which way? Which side? Now which side?
Which market now?
People go to go use them. People go to go use them. Who's with the public address system?
Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.